Hello, we are at the dashboard of OPLingo, and today we are going to talk about stats. So let me click my avatar, and you can click the stats link, and that takes you to the stats page. You can see your badges here on top, and you'll also notice two graphs. The top graph is for total stats, and the second graph is for daily stats. And you can change the item that you are interested in. You can change the time period or the language. Let's just change this to Korean. See what we get here. Now, we'll go down here and we'll notice there are lists of individual stats. These stats are good for just about anything you do on the website. You've got chat, essays, forum, inbox, lessons, and reading stats. Most people are interested in reading stats, so let's focus on that. You will notice that these stars here are for individual languages. So if you change the language, these items will change also. And we are talking about Korean right now, and you will notice, for example, total words read is this number right here. Known words is right here, 12486. Now, let's go ahead and go to a Korean passage and verify that. You'll see at the top of the passage, known words 12486. So that's the same number, and that's good. You'll also see these numbers for known words, unknown, learning, and total. These are unique words, and so these three numbers will add up to the total here. That is different from the total words read in the stats. Now, let's see what happens if I change one of these learning words to a known word. Now, if I do it right here,
그저,
change
그저.
that, and you'll see that changed. Let's do it again. If I do it again, that 61 should go to 60.
몸이, 몸이.
And so that's working correctly. Now let's go back to the stats and see what that will do. So again, what we want to do is change a learning word into a known word. So we're going to take one of these words and change it into one of these. So this will go down by 1, and this will go up by 1. So the number on the bottom, the last digit will be 0, and the last digit here will be 9. So let's go back to the passage. And let's go this yang right here. We're going to change this to known.
Yeah.
Now, the reason I can tell this is known is because it's white, and you see this is white right here. So let's go back to stats and see if that number changed. And yes, it did. This one went to 0, and this one went to 9. And that's about all there is to stats.